the Aukey EP-B60 Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Aukey EP-B60 wireless earbuds designed for workouts and running. This was sent out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, a USB-C charging cable, an extra pair of ear tips and ear hooks. You get two sizes, a small and medium, and a silicone carrying pouch. The earbuds have the following. It has 8 hours of listening time, 1.5 hours to fully charge. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, has a function button, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX6 water resistant. The earbuds have a plastic and rubber feel to it, and it has a good amount of grip. On the outside of each earbud is a magnet, which is used to turn them on and off. Once attached, it is off, and separating it will turn it on. It also can be used for additional support and hang around your neck if it's not in use. Each of the earbuds have a one-piece ear hook and ear tip design, and it's just a matter of peeling it back to remove it. You can also adjust the cord around your neck by moving the bead up or down for a tighter fit. On the right side of the earbud, you have a small control bar. It has a USB-C charge input along with the microphone on the bottom. And the top of the control bar has the following. It has the volume up, next track, multi-function button, LED indicator, volume down, previous track. The multi-function button has the following controls. Press once for play, pause, answer, end call. Press 2 times to redial or reject call, and hold down for 2 seconds for voice assistant. Weight-wise, it's fairly light and it comes in at about 19 grams. And now just a quick microphone sample. This is a test of the Aukey EP-B60 wireless earbuds microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. As far as call quality, it was very clear when making calls, and the other party had no issues hearing me. When watching videos, I didn't experience any latency or connection issues. So here are my final thoughts on the Aukey EP-B60 earbuds. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. I found them to be really comfortable, and the ear hooks really helped in providing good support. The earbuds do form a nice seal and blocks out a lot of the outside noise. It also had no issues staying into place while running. Build and quality is fairly good. It feels durable and has a nice grip all around. The magnetic feature to turn it on and off is a plus and very convenient to have. You don't have to fumble around for buttons. When it comes to the sound, I felt that the lows were pretty good. The bass was just enough for me and it had a good, punchy kick to it. The mids I felt could have used a bit more clarity, and at times vocals were drowned out by the bass. The treble was not bad. It wasn't too bright but could have been a bit more clean. All in all, the sound it produces I feel are perfect for workouts and running. It gets loud and sounds energetic. If you're looking for this style of earbuds, there is good value with the Aukey EP-B60, as it provides a good IPX rating and long battery life. These will have no issues lasting through your activities. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.